Hey there! Are you passionate about technology and want to share your knowledge with the world? Well, starting a tech blog channel on YouTube is a great way to do just that. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of launching your own YouTube channel dedicated to tech blogging. So, let's get started. Step 1. Define your niche. Think about what specific area of technology you want to focus on. Whether it's gadget reviews, software tutorials, or the latest tech news, finding your niche will help you stand out in the vast world of tech blogging. Step 2. Research and plan your content. Understand your audience and what kind of content they crave. Dive deep into trending topics, brainstorm interesting ideas, and create a content calendar to stay organized and consistent. Step 3. Set up your equipment. You don't need fancy and expensive gear to start. A good camera, microphone, and adequate lighting will do. Quality content is key, so invest in equipment that suits your budget. Step 4. Create an engaging channel name and logo. Your channel name should reflect your niche and be catchy. Design a visually appealing logo that represents your brand and grabs attention. Step 5. Shoot and edit high-quality videos. Plan your shots and film in a well-lit environment. Use video editing software to refine your footage, add effects, and create a professional look. Step 6. Optimize your videos for discoverability. Craft intriguing titles, engaging thumbnails, and write descriptive video descriptions. Use relevant tags and keywords to enhance your SEO and increase your chances of being found by potential subscribers. Step 7. Promote your channel. Share your content on social media platforms, engage with your audience, and collaborate with other tech bloggers to expand your reach. And that's it. With these steps, you can launch your own successful tech blog channel on YouTube. Remember, consistency and quality are key. So, put in the work, stay passionate, and never stop learning. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech blogging tips and tricks. See you in our next video.